Today, we're showing you the brand new Ford Splitgate, only available in the 2025 Ford Expedition. So we've got a button to open up our hatch, but we can open up the hatch in the Splitgate with the double touch of our key right here. And check that out.
Look at that.
Never before seen Splitgate on the Expedition. And I'll show you how to open the hatch independently. But back here, the whole idea of this design is when you're in transit, when you're using that sport mode, whipping around curves, whatever it is, your stuff shifts in transport. You know what I mean? And basically this will give you about 2 feet of height to where any items, groceries, kids' travel bags, whatever you've got, won't fall right out as soon as you open up your hatch or your tailgate there. So the great additional kind of perk of this is I've got covered seating at the rear of every Expedition. So whether it's after ball practice, grabbing a couple of juice boxes, it's a rainy day and I need a little bit of cover.
And you got the lighting too. One
and
thing
of
we're
course,
just catching.
You've got LED lighting, as well as power folding rear seats available in this rear area. You can turn on and off the light at the touch of that button there. And you even have, you know, party capabilities. You got USBs, USB-Cs, you've got 12 volts, you got 120 volt charger plugs right there. So whether you wanted a speaker, you know, power some lights, whatever you've got, job site, doesn't matter what the case is, there's tons of capability with this. But I thought the Splitgate's amazing. This portion lifts up to kind of reveal your different your motor for the Splitgate itself, your wiring harness, etc. But it's a super cool new feature. It's standard in every brand new 25 Expedition. And this is an awesome feature. Let us know what you thought in the think about it in the comments. Do you want the new 25 Expedition? Do you want to take advantage of A-Plan employee pricing on a 24 that we still have available? Let us know. Hit us up at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. And as always, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We've got huge brand new content coming. We were one of the first ones to show you a 25 Expedition, and we're going to the biggest auto show in the world this year behind the scenes. It's going to be absolutely huge. 10,000 subscriber giveaway coming as well, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. This has been Jake Fry, the Car Guy. Walker Paul, what else do you have for the people?
I think this is going to be a huge benefit to all of our Expedition customers. Keep your cargo secure, and no longer will you have to see all of your stuff falling up when you open up the back hatch. It's going to stay secured with that nice Splitgate there. But like Jake was saying, we need you guys to like and subscribe. We're trying to hit our 10,000 subscriber goal point. And we also are doing some giveaways once we hit that 10,000 subscriber mark point. So guys, do not forget, give us a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the best auto content on YouTube.
Like and subscribe, baby. We out.